working at a dental place, and I'm getting my hours in before I even go to dental school, which helps me get ahead.
And I'm currently with Iron Horse Equine as the internship, which is a equine veterinarian clinic. So I get to go along and ride along to different appointments and things like that, and just basically exposing me to veterinary medicine.
So junior year, I started with a different internship. I worked as a social media person. I ran a social media account, and that just wasn't for me. So then I switched and learned that like dental hygiene is a great opportunity and a great field to be in, and now that's where I'm going.
Well, I'm completely opposite. This is my first internship, and I have no idea. But this sounded really interesting to me, so that's why I did it. But other than that, I still don't have an idea of what I want to do. But I've always been into animals and things like that, so yeah.
It helps me know what I want to do, because like before when I was doing social media, it was like I don't want to sit on my phone all day. Like I want to interact with more people, or like even have like a little break in between the day, because we get like a little lunch break and it's nice to just talk to the other people, and like meeting new people is just so like fun and so nice to hear everybody's